Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine. Today's video we will going to show you how to set up Instagram shop step by step. So here you can see here is an Instagram shop. You can see all the products listed here and the sale is going on very well and these shoes are looking very beautiful. You can also browse all products from here and then you can simply check. So let's see how you can make your own personalized Instagram shop for your business. So let's get started and we will go to our pages. First you need to make a Facebook business page, then we need to register with the Facebook shop, and then we will go to the commerce manager and simply we will create the Instagram shop. So this is the process. First we need to create the Facebook page. Okay, so now I'm creating the Facebook page. The title, the category, the description, you have to put the description according to your brand and products. So okay, so here it is. After putting this description I will simply click the create page button. It will take some time to get loaded fully and then it will simply get loaded. Till then okay, so this option is here. Now we just need to add a profile picture and a cover picture to our Facebook page, and now this one is the profile and let's select a cover picture also. So this one will be our cover picture. So and let's drag this and just do that. Okay, so save. After saving, this will be your Facebook page and you can simply make the page. And if you want to add a button here to shop on your website, you can simply paste your website link here and the button will be redirected to your website. Okay, so I need to create a username first here. So let's create a username. So I'm just putting a random username. You just have to do it by your own and according to your choice and custom preferences. Okay, so you are all set. This is your username. We will click the done button. Okay, so now you can see this one is the page. Now you have to set up a shop which is called Facebook shop. There you will get the commerce manager. Okay, so grow your business and build your brand. Okay, so let's start shop setup. From here you can learn more about the process of the making of the shop of the Facebook. Now create your shop, start selling on Facebook and Instagram, fast and seamless checkout, access to exclusive features, integration with partner platforms. Click next. We just have to click next from here, and from here these are two options: check out on other website and check out with Facebook or Instagram. So we just need to do the first one and just need to come here and we will select a sales channel. Okay, so we will scroll down and select the page we have just created. Okay, so where is our page? Let's see. So let's select this one. This was our page and select this one and we will click the next. So now our Facebook shop will be created in very few moments. So we will select the business account and now we just need to add a business email because business shop need a business email obviously. So I will just add this as a business email. We just need to select the country and states and options are selected. Now we just need to select the shipping methods and these options you can explore. You can enable it according to your own choice. So now we just need to enable these options. These are the shipping rates. Let's settle this also. So from here let's see. Okay, so this is giving us the basic setups. These are shipping and returns management. So let's change them and show you how you can optimize this: standard shipping, rush shipping, expected shipping. Okay, so now here we can decide the base rate, the rates per additional item, cart minimum for free shopping. You can just put your own rates here for the business, for the shipping and according to you basically. Okay, so it was just for your education. I just put some random figures we will just finish this setup, and now we will saving this feature. Now our next step will be the commerce manager will be created from here, and now we will add the products, and from the next step we will show how you can make your Instagram shop. So here you can see the commerce manager is set up. Once it is done, you can just start the verification. You just have to verify your account. For the verification process, you just need to give some documents to them. It can be organization details, it can be identity documents, whatever you want, you can upload this. Just click the next button, and here you can see few options, which is passport, driver's license, national ID card, marriage certificate. And if we click on like see more option here, uh, let's see this see more option. Okay, so we have plenty of options here. Whatever you want, you can add here, and then we will click next, and it will take some time to verify your business, and then you are good to go, and then you can publish your shop. First you need to verify this. For this video I'm not verifying this because it will take maybe 1 or 2 days time. So you can just upload your documents here, and you can submit your verification request. Okay, so after this is verified, you can just connect your Facebook page with your Instagram, and you can just make a business account. Okay, so for that is the next step. You can see all my products from my website is already fetched into this commerce manager, which we will later on add to our Instagram shop. So here I will take you to the business Instagram official site, where you can create your official business Instagram account. Okay, so here you can see create a business account, create a successful post, add products, and everything is here. You can study about this, get knowledge, and even sign up here. And after signing up, you will go to your mobile phone screen, and from there we will begin the next step. Okay, so here is all the tutorials given on the official side. You can just create a business account. If you have the business account already, so you can simply jump on to your mobile screen, and here you will just select the settings option. You will open this, and from here you will just click on business. From the business, we need to set up the Instagram shopping. When we set up the Instagram shopping, it will take some time of 1 or 2 days to get verified. Once you are verified, you are good to go with the business, and it will verify your business, and all your products here, which were in the commerce manager fetched from your website, will be uploaded to your Instagram shop very easily and very simply. Okay, so this was the video. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.